homes sold this May than last May, 181 homes, up 57.39%. Days on the market fell from 63 days to 22 days this May, and home prices clocked in at 26.70% higher than last May, as most homes were selling at 101.4% over list price this year. It's Friday, June 18th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis real estate. Inventory fell 53.46% to 168 units in May compared to 361 units last May. However, new properties to market went up 27.86% this May compared to last. So, what is happening in the inventory since last week's report? Inventory is up to 171 homes for sale in all Annapolis zip codes. 38 homes were listed for sale. 32 homes are coming soon. 29 homes went under contract, 32 are temporarily off the market, 20 moved to pending, and 44 homes sold since last week's report. The highest priced home to sell was this waterfront Eastport home for $2,425,000. There are only 12 active rentals priced between $1,700 to $6,000 per month, and stats show that rentals are going under application in a median 3 days. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the link Guides in the navigation bar. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 18th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. And you can stream directly from your Google or Alexa device. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's it for today. Have a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you next Friday.